Okay, welcome back. Welcome back to part 12 of Systems of Equation Elimination Method. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at these two equations. All right, so since these are videos, I wanted to get this down so you can stop, pause, read this at your own pace. Basically, everything I said I put down here. So look closely which terms in either equation 1 or equation 2 or both equation 1 and equation 2 can be manipulated or rearranged so when you add the like terms, you eliminate either the x variable or the y variable showing 0x, 0y. Hey, let's rearrange original equation number 2. Is that the only one I could have I could have rearranged original equation number 1 or both. Okay, so again, just in review, so you can see here, we have original equation 1, original equation 2. We're going to be adding these terms together. So step 2, manipulate and solve for either variable. You choose y or x or y. I've chosen to manipulate and rearrange original equation number 2. So I've chosen to multiply or distribute the -1 to each term in the original equation number 2. So after I finish, this will be the manipulated equation number 2. So keeping organized is very, very important. So I'm going to distribute a negative invisible 1, right? -1. I'm going to multiply that times each of the terms. -1 times a positive 3x, I'm showing you here. Separating each term with a plus sign. -1 times a negative 4y, I'm showing you that right here. Equals -1 times a positive 4, I'm showing you that right here. Step by step. So when we multiply each of these terms by a -1, -1 times 3x, -1 times 3 is -3. The x is attached through multiplication. Plus, plus. -4y times a -1, -1 and a -4, negative and negative, when you multiply or divide, gives you a positive value. +4, the y is attached through multiplications. Equals, -1 times a positive 4. When you multiply a negative and a positive, you always get a negative, and 1 times 4 is 4. So this is our new manipulated equation number 2. What would you assume or guess is the next step? Okay, well, if you guessed that the next step was now to add the original equation number 1 plus the manipulated equation number 2 in order to eliminate the variable, you're absolutely correct. Let's go ahead, get out that microscope. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what that looks like. So again, one of the most difficult skills in solving systems of equation using elimination or substitution method is staying organized. So here I'm showing you original equation number 1. This was from the original problem. Here I'm showing the manipulated equation number 2, where each term was multiplied by a -1. All right. Now what we're going to do is add these terms to eliminate a variable. +3 plus a -3 is gone. That's 0. Plus 2 plus 4 is 6, and it's attached to y through multiplications. They got to stay together. Equals 16 plus a -4 is 12. So now I'm left with a one-step equation to solve for y. That brings up a quick question. Now, if y represents a real number, what is, the value of y? What number times 6? What number times 6 would give me 12? Okay, if you don't know that, we'll use the inverse operation for this last step. And check it out. We'll solve for y. All right, so inverse operations means opposite, right? So we're going to do the opposite operation that's shown. What's the opposite of 6 times y? Is to divide by 6. Opposite of multiply is to divide. What I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other side. I got to balance my equation. 6 divided by 6, or anything over itself, is 1. That's the invisible 1. Y is all by itself. Equals equals. What is 12 divided by 6? 2. Y equals 2. All right, so now you can substitute the value of y, which is 2, into the original equation number 1, or it's up to you, original equation number 2. Then solve for x. Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see what that looks like. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Stick around for part 12. Part 13. We will continue to solve this system of equation using elimination. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your time.